As precipitation begins later tonight, at least initially, it's going to be too warm to see any snow at lake level, but that changes as we go through Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here's a look at the sustained winds, over 20 miles per hour in Truckee and South Lake. It's been that way all day, but the focus for the winds, the concerning damaging winds, is going to be in the valley and foothills overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning, and then a second round coming tomorrow evening and lasting through the first half of the day on Christmas. So a high wind warning is technically now in effect. It will stay in effect until 4 p.m. on Thursday, but our focus is really those two windows of high winds overnight tonight and then overnight tomorrow and into Christmas morning. But all the while, we're going to be watching rain and snow coming through. So I want to take you through the timing of that. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so hang tight. This is overnight tonight, rain filling in, especially for the east side of the valley. We will likely have chain controls over the Sierra summits when the sun comes up tomorrow morning. There's going to be a lot of dry time tomorrow for the valley. If we get some clearing, there could actually be a couple of thunderstorms that we have to keep a close eye on. The foothills will be a little bit soggier, but I don't want you to get the idea that tomorrow's going to be a washout. Tomorrow's going to be breezy, but the highest winds will be before 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then they'll start up again around 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. So this is 10 p.m. Wednesday. This line of rain will have high winds ahead of it. So as that rain comes through, heavy downpours, maybe even some thunder and lightning, that translates to more heavy snow in the Sierra. Early Christmas morning. I know some of you have kids that are going to be getting you up bright and early. This is what you'll be waking up to. The winds are going to be howling for the valley and for the foothills. This is going to be the strongest point of winds that I think we see over the next few days, and we'll have these lines of very heavy rain coming through. So we get to midday on Thursday, likely still windy, but the winds easing a little bit. Snow going in the Sierra, and we'll have these hit and miss downpours that come through all the way through the evening. Look at Thursday evening. That's when the snow level likely drops down to 4,000 feet. So when the Sierra kind of pulses of some of the heavier snow, but all day Thursday and all day Friday, I'd avoid traveling in the mountains if you can. 8:30 Friday morning, hit and miss showers, winds, not as much of an issue, but it will still be breezy. We're not expecting damaging winds as we go through Friday. That's a lot to digest. We've got the details for all the forecasts posted for you now at KCRA.com. Here's how much additional rain we're expecting through Friday. This is not enough to cause flooding in the valley and the foothills, so some good news there. Up to 1.5 inches total for Sacramento, up to 1 inch in the San Joaquin Valley, a little bit less so as you go down into Stanislaus County. As for tomorrow in the Sierra, it's a rain and snow mix for Truckee and South Lake Tahoe. I would anticipate snow getting over Donner Summit, Echo Summit, and over Carson Pass as well. Pollock Pines and Arnold, it will be breezy, but the higher winds will be farther down the hill. The foothills are going to start off very windy tomorrow morning. Once we get past 8 a.m., I think the winds are noticeable, but they're lighter, and then we'll see those rounds of rain, maybe even a thunderstorm coming through the afternoon. High winds are likely most of the day for the immediate coast. San Francisco, wet, windy with a high temperature of 60 degrees. And we'll be watching for those winds early in the morning and then later tomorrow evening for the San Joaquin Valley. Rain showers are kind of hit and miss throughout the day. You're going to have dry time to work with, but remember, it's going to be breezy as well. Strongest winds will be before 6 a.m. tomorrow and then after 8 p.m. tomorrow. So the daylight hours, relatively tame, but watching for those hit and miss downpours for that second round of high winds comes in as we go through Wednesday night and Thursday. There's a quick look at the foothills and the Sierra. Again, our weather alert days as we go through Wednesday and Thursday. And the 7-day forecast for the valley is quiet for the weekend. So some good news there.
Yeah, something to look forward to. All right, Heather, thanks.